Welcome to Walk to Table. My name is Scarlett. In this episode, I will show you how to make Hong Kong style barbecue pork, honey glazed char siu with the sous vide thermometer. Sous vide is a cooking technique that slowly cooks the food in a low and consistent temperature. The char siu will stay moist and tender with this method so that you don't have to use a fatty cut of pork. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to get all my recipes. Don't forget to give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. siu is one of my favorite barbecue meats growing up in Hong Kong. Now I live in the US. The closest place that I can buy char siu is about 30 minutes away from where I live. So I figure out how to make it at home with the ingredient I have in the pantry. And they turn out pretty good. Now I can make it anytime I want. So let's take a little bite and see how it turns out. So I sous vide this. It's a pretty lean cut, so it doesn't have a lot of fat. So, Even though it's a very lean cut, it's very tender. I have to give credit to the sous vide. I really love it. It has the flavor I remember with the char siu. And the most important part, it has the perfect honey glaze. I really love this recipe, and I really hope you'll give that a try. Happy cooking!